Today I'm taking a first look at this. This is the Fifine BM88. It's a low profile microphone arm that was sent to me by Fifine, which is really great because I've had this microphone arm for a while from Elgato, the first edition of their low profile arm. But as you can see, I'm not using it right now. Right now I'm actually using the mic just on a stand like this, and it's not a good solution. But the reason why I'm not using this anymore is because it drooped down. The Elgato arm, it didn't have the strength to keep up the Shure SM7B, and these magnetic what do you call it, cable covers here just popped off all the time, which is something that a lot of people are complaining of. So the Elgato arm for me was not holding up the Shure SM7B good enough, but I have another use for this. So let's compare it to, and I'm just opening this Fifine BM88 low profile boom arm for the first time, and I've never opened it before. Right out of the box it looks smaller than the other arm. Just going to have this in arm's length so that we can compare it to each other here. This is the BM88 from Fifine. What's this? Oh, so this is not magnetic. This is a how does this do? Oh, okay. So this is a not magnetic cable. It goes off and on like this, which might be good for me. It feels very sturdy, and it's adjustable by one of these. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's adjustable by one of these, which might be a good thing, because then it might be a lot stronger. Not that far. Maybe it's not long enough for my use case. This is the arm holder. I think I have everything in the box now. There's this small package here of whoops. Okay, so let's see. First of all, it looks like, oh, okay, this way. How is it supposed to be? Like this? Oh, okay. This feels very much, I'm sorry Fifine, but this feels a lot like a copy of Elgato, but it doesn't have the ball head thing at the end, but it does have like one of these. If you know how to use the, if you have used any of the Elgato products before, then this feels very similar. How do if I do it like this, then maybe we can need to attach this and then see if it can carry my microphone. The arm in itself is a lot less heavy than the mic arm from Elgato, which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm just going to attach it here. I'm going to use it. Of course, it's designed for the Fifine microphone. It's not designed for the Shure SM7B. I think so, but I think it's designed for the Fifine microphone just as well as the Elgato arm is designed for the Elgato. And if you have ever tried the Rode arm, then you know that you have to have an extender on the microphone to put it on. Because this test in itself for me is enough to know if I can use the arm, because it just have to be able to carry it. I need to get something to tighten this with. No! It was in the box. Some might say that not being able to hand tighten it is a bad thing, but in my opinion, you cannot do it tight enough. So do it with tools, and then you know how tight it is. It's much better in my opinion. I thought this would be the case. Already I can say that this arm is much stronger than the Elgato, because the Elgato arm has this problem that it is tightened with this finger knot here, and the other one is tightened with tools, which make it so much stronger. So without doing like a review for a longer period, because I just got this, my preview of this product is that it might be better than the Elgato for now. I'm just going to install this properly on my setup, and then I'm going to test it for a longer period of time. But this is my preview of the product. Now, there is a new version of this Elgato Wave low profile arm. As far as I know, the version 1 and the version 2 is not distinguished. So if you buy them at a retailer that still have the version 1 on stock, you don't know if that's what you're getting, because they have replaced the old version with the version 2, which supposedly is stronger. I don't know if there's the magnetic plates are stronger too, because those are the two main problems. But this arm here is, I'm just going to look up what it costs. Fifine, thought so. The Fifine BM88 is only, of course, $58. Yeah, this is $100. And you can see the low profile, it still has this Titan thing here, but I think they have made another version of it, because these magnetic plates here, in my opinion, and this one is what's keeping it down. They made a pro version of it to make it more heavy duty. The magnetic one cable are underneath, but this is $180, and compared to this one, that's $56. Oh, there's a unique way of attaching the microphone. You can actually take it upwards and then have it underneath. That's cool. This is shorter than the Elgato, but in my opinion, it's a good alternative, at least when you are comparing the price. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.